Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. We're doing another Tokyo Treat unboxing. Ooh. So we're gonna start off by opening this. So yay. Whee! All the stuff. Look at all the stuff.
It's very much packed to the brim.
Oh, some
Tiny Easter eggs.
Yeah. Doritos!
Well, not TM brand Doritos,
Japanese.
but tortilla chips.
Corn. I think it's
Corn.
gonna. Yeah.
Is this corn flavored tortilla?
Oh, we got Disney stuff.
I wonder if it's officially Disney or if they just put.
Yes, Disney based on the Winnie the Pooh work.
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh.
I do not see Winnie or the Pooh on this. It's just.
We got 2 of those.
Yeah.
No, 3.
Are these like last time tiny chips?
Hopefully.
Maybe. No. I think it's cookies.
Wow. Oh yeah. We got a whole bunch of Kit Kats. You said there was
Easter flavor.
Banana flavor.
Easter break.
Easter break, yeah. So you said last time that you think it was too little.
Yeah, well, I expected more Kit Kat. So this is to compensate. They were like, that fucking noob on the internet complaining about our Kit Kats.
And
We'll put more on them.
And they have American accents.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, I wonder if this is the... Oh, it's him. Maybe it's the one that we really liked the last time.
I
But
don't
cut.
know. But cut.
But cut because it's...
Oh, you think it's like the giant cheese doodle thingy, but in circles. Caveman noises.
Okay, let's see what's more in it.
I see chips.
I love chips.
Who doesn't like chips?
Textile design collection for Calvin.
So it's fashion chips.
Fashion chips. I'm kind of excited for these because I love chips.
Lots of chips.
My babe! It's Gautama! I fucking love that egg! Ah! I get very excited for egg.
But I wonder what it is.
I see a drink and I love
White chocolate flavored.
milk tea. The English custom of taking afternoon tea was invented by the Duchess of Bedford.
That's very random to put on a Japanese drink.
Yeah, it looks like water tea, as you know, out watered if you take this. Enjoy everybody.
I'm guessing it's just a gummy bear.
Yes, it's just gummy bear.
I'm not a fan of gummy bears.
Me neither. More doohickey.
Doohickey.
Bread flavored corn.
Corn. Caramel corn. Or something. More cheese doodles.
This is our favorite thing. We loved this in the last one.
I would not be surprised if it's a different taste though. Ah, it's teriyaki flavor, I think. That's interesting.
Healthy snacks. Ooh, lemon flavored.
Yeah, a person at work brought these. They visited Japan. They brought.
This is rainbow. I like rainbow, so I'm gonna like this one.
Rainbow.
Oh, if you try in different ways, it's gonna taste differently. Last thing in the box. Another one.
Let's make
Dipping.
your own.
Banana dipper.
Oh.
I think. Banana. We still need to make the video. Hopefully we can do that tomorrow.
Yeah.
The popping kookaroo.
Make your own shit.
Yeah, with different stuff. And try the box.
We can try the box. I think it tastes like cardboard.
Now we're tasting the box. We can taste the candy in the box. Let's get to it. Let's try the hashtag Disney. Hashtag Disney.
Hashtag Disney. Hashtag flagged. Hashtag demonetized.
You can't get demonetized because I don't put stuff on my videos.
Well, let's just put some Disney themes on this.
Jag vill leva någonstans. That is totally Disney.
Någonting händer.
Det
Jag kan inte
något
resten.
skumt. Oh!
Oh, these are kind of the same cookies we had last time, but no.
It's from we tried to find the panda cookies and we found other panda cookies.
Yeah, so it's the different panda cookies,
Yeah.
but this has just random Disney things on it.
This is cola flavored. I can smell the cola.
Ooh.
Caramel. Nougat. Ah.
It tastes like this. When you order a caramel latte, it tastes like the sump in the bottom.
I like this. Mine.
So.
Eggs. Gummy bears?
Sure. We're going from least exciting to most exciting.
Yeah, basically. And like always, we won't try this because we're gonna do a popping cooker someday. Hopefully tomorrow. Okay. This is literally sweet. It's like
Yeah, it's Swedish gummy bears.
and they're like.
They smell the same,
I think they smell a lot more.
of course.
Mm-hmm.
It's a slightly better than the Swedish one, gummy bear. Because all our viewers know what Swedish gummy bears taste like.
I think all my viewers are Swedes.
Vote below!
Are you a Swede? Like this video.
Sorry.
I'm looking at you, Lisa, Sophie, Sara. Who more is probably watching this video? Marcus, you're watching this video right now.
I'm watching this video. Pick one.
This?
Sure.
Oh, there are some cough drops and shit.
There's
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna like. Here's a cough drop. Here's the other thing.
that is interesting.
You can show them from the camera.
Yeah, it's
One looks like cough drops, the other one looks like candy drops.
they're like Skittles.
Yep, orange.
It's good. I think it's fake grape.
Interesting for a cough drop. It tastes like, I like a cough drop.
What is it? Oh, it's not really like cough drop. It's more like powdered sugar, and now combined.
I tried the orange one with a cough drop. Yeah, soda. I don't really feel the difference. All three together. Nothing. They kind of outweigh each other. Fake grape and the orange one are supposed to taste like apple. Do you want to try those?
Sure. Hit me.
Whee!
Yeah. Take your red pen. Or the orange pen.
How about both?
Yeah. It tastes like apple. If I concentrate hard and think about apples instead of what I'm tasting.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like apple. Nah.
Fascinating.
They're good, but it doesn't taste like apple.
They're basically Skittles. It's Skittles, but they threw some like unflavored powdered sugar in there. It's like surprise, motherfucker.
I feel like you need some water. While I get the water, you can entertain them. And we're back. How about some healthy snacks?
Does it say healthy snacks?
Yeah, that's healthy snacks. Healthy snacking. They look healthy.
Yeah, healthy as in. Oh, I can't smell that. That's not. I do not enjoy that. Tastes like a gummy bear. Like a wine gummy.
Vin eller gummen? Na 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 na. I think I'm having too much sugar.
Yeah.
I don't want to cut gurkenfromma. I'm gonna cut gurkenfromma. Oh no!
Oh no, it's tiny egg whites. Cough drops. Oh, that's a handsome, sexy face.
You want
Can
the
show it?
handsome? No, I can't show it. I can probably insert like emojis of how it looks. Come by.
Bye-bye.
Bite me.
Don't fight me.
Bite me.
Eat your candy. Yeah, this is gonna be like 3 hours later. We're done with these.
You don't know.
I don't know.
That was not delicious, but not disgusting. Yeah, why is everything Easter kind of like banana flavored?
I don't know.
I expect like.
Does Japan have a thing with bananas in Easter?
Yes.
Is that a thing?
Okay.
I wonder if they are surprise flavored.
Oh, thank you. Tastes exactly like banana cookie.
I actually like the banana chocolate.
Yeah, me too.
Combo. More.
More.
I like this. Another. Marcus was never heard from again due to Kit Kat related injuries.
Ooh! This farthest thing away thingy.
No, I forgot about that one.
Me too. The first thing we open in the box. Oh. It used tiny pictures of different stuff. Dinosaur eggs.
Dinosaur eggs. They could rebrand this as Mario themed something and fine with it. I like that. It's crunchy.
It's basically Kit Kat interior. No, it's not.
Yeah, pretty much. White chocolate on the outside. Some chewy bready stuff on the inside.
Okay, that was okay.
I really like it. I'll take that.
No, you can make that one. Yes. I'm expecting these to be the same thing as this one, but just tiny.
Different flavors?
Yeah. Cheese. This tastes like the Cheetos.
Like Cheetos?
You ever had Cheetos?
I don't think so.
I had Cheetos in Latvia. This basically tastes like mild Cheetos.
They're good.
They're very good. I like this.
We'll probably finish them tonight.
Wanna try the tea?
Sure.
We forgot about the tea. I think I'm gonna shake it lightly.
Yeah.
Water, chocolate and tea.
Barely any tea. It's like chocolate water.
Let's try this one. I like when they do these long stripes of something.
Like party packs.
Yeah.
Picnic packs. I mean, the picture on front looks more like a cheese doodle, and these are much lumpier than that. And kind of weird.
This is exactly the same thing we got last package, but instead of being round. And these are more sweet.
Yeah, it's a slightly different flavor, but pretty much same thing. Pretty much same packaging, different color, and it's shaped like a cheese doodle. They lie and deceit. Try to trick us.
This tastes exactly like corn on the cob with butter.
Huh! Holy shit!
Holy shit!
They're like, you know what's more Mexican and American than Mexican ships with American food? We put a corn on the cob with fucking butter on a fucking ship, and now we're multinational. And we print big Japanese letters on it and we send it to Japan. And we sell it to Swedes. That's how it works in the multinational world.
I really like this.
Yeah, it's super delicious.
I love the tiny
The Dorito character.
Yeah.
He looks kind of nervous to be shaking to these things. Marcus. Could you edit into Marcus in my hand? He has this picture. Existential crisis at the piñata party. That's my new punk band.
Yes. Next thing in the box. There's not the box. Next thing in the sweets. The educational snacks.
Educational.
Yeah.
They're fashion.
Here's a fashion snack.
Fashion snacks. I can already feel my hair getting nicer.
What the heck was that?
I taste nothing, then I taste like marzipan.
No, not marzipan.
Marzipan? I don't think that's the English word, but...
It's something we had like in a wagamama. You know, in the noodle soup that you tried. It's not shrimp. It's like a broth. Do heck is this?
I think it tastes like the stuff you put in a semla.
I think it's lime.
Lime?
Lime or chili.
I think these are Willy Wonka chips. They taste whatever you think they taste. They taste nothing, and then you imagined it.
Last thing.
Yep. It's teriyaki flavor, maybe.
The last one was better.
Wow.
Yeah.
It tastes off like a... It starts off like a savory snack or something. And then there's an aftertaste that... I don't know, it's like barbecue sauce or something.
Teriyaki.
Yeah, like teriyaki barbecue sauce. I like it. It's really nice. And weird. But the taste is really overpowering. I think, now that I think about it, the little pamphlet in the Tokyotreatbox actually talked about these as there always being one, and they're always different tastes.
I feel like this was a really fast video for us. We were just like, next, try, taste, stuff. Yum, 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 yum.
We're experienced now. We know what we're doing. Kind of. Not at all.
Okay, so of everything we tried, what was your favorite? We'll take up the...
Kind of forgot half the stuff.
Is that your way of saying that you have to try
Like,
everything?
these are no. Forgot them. Oh, the Kit Kats are amazing. I recommend these. And the good thing about Kit Kat is that from experience, aka Nelly Negm on eBay, you can buy Kit Kats for a pretty good price. Like imported straight from Japan. So pick up banana chocolate Easter Kit Kat if
Or
you
just
can.
try banana chocolate poke. That's basically...
Yeah.
Okay.
I prefer Kit Kat.
Well, this
I
one was okay.
Yeah. I'm not sure if I can put a favorite yet, but I can put the least favorite. And it's the Gudetama egg like cough drops that doesn't hurt my throat and just tastes weird. What's your least favorite?
The gummy bears, because we have this in Sweden.
I kind of like the gummy bears because they're better than the Swedish ones. I really like the chocolate eggs.
I didn't like the chocolate eggs.
I'm seeing a trend here. I like the chocolate stuff.
I didn't really like the savory stuff. That was mine.
The savory stuff was really nice. The teriyaki stick I really like, even if it's weird. It's delicious. But probably not like more than one of those flavorful sticks of explosion in your mouth. Like one a week, where you're gonna have no taste buds left.
I didn't like this that much.
No, that's kind of...
This is one of those things that you go to Japan and you want to try them, and then it's like, I tried them.
Yeah, I tried. But I also wonder if there's better brands of this, or if it's better when it's not white chocolate, because I'm not a fan of white chocolate.
I love a bit chocolate.
Yeah, but
I like these, and these, and these.
Also, I think the white chocolate milk tea might be better on like a hot summer day, because it's kind of smooth and refreshing. Are you hiding anything else?
Yeah, this one.
All right then.
Okay.
So it's a good mix of amazing and not very great. No squid beef jerky.
We didn't show that on camera.
No,
So they don't
unfortunately
know
not.
about that anyway.
Last box had squid jerky. and it was so bad that the camera died and we had to buy a new one, and then the house burned down and the fire department was here and they had to like operate my mouth because my taste buds were ruined, and insurance money bought this Tokyotreatbox for you.
Yeah.
No, it's a good mix. I like it. These are actually stuff I can eat on an everyday basis. Now that I think about it, I can't really do that with stuff from the other box, because mostly sugar flavored, like puffy stuff.
Yeah.
That if you eat too much, you kind of go into a sugar coma and you don't want to eat anything else, and the whole idea of, hey, I want a snack while I'm gaming or anything kind of goes away. but this is like a nicer mix for that. Yeah.
We still have a lot of the stuff left though.
Yeah.
From last Tokyotreatbox, so that's
well,
fine.
it's also a very big box of stuff, so...
Yeah. Thank you everyone for watching. This has been another Tokyotreat unboxing. This has been another Tokyotreat unboxing, and it's always fun to have this beautiful boy with me, helping me eat all the candy.
Yes, I'm a human garbage can.
Actually, have a great ball boy, have a great weekend. And
Google that.
yeah, and I will see you in another video, hopefully with this guy more often. Make him come to this channel because he's funny.
10 million views and I actually get paid.
Now.
Bye.